Whoa! That went quick. Well, ladies and gentlemen, yep, you saw the title of this video. It is wintertime and I am bored, so I feel really weird. I got my helmet on and I'm chilling in my office. So I set up a little table here. For this project, you're gonna need a rim, and obviously I gotta put the sprocket and the brake rotor on this one off my other rim, but you need a rim and you need a case of beer and some tape. So what we're gonna do is we are going to make a tire out of beer. This is the first part of the video. The second part is going to be shot on a different day, which will be the riding portion. So it's all going to be in this video, but I'm doing this tonight, and then when I have time, we're going to go ride on the rim. So I'm going to time lapse this footage. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands, and I got some tape pre-cut here just to hold the beer on the wheel. And yeah, let's time lapse this, and we're gonna put some beers on for a tire. Alright, you guys, so we have an issue. Here's the issue. I can't fit another beer. So, good thing I have lots of beer around the house. So I'm going to say that this will probably be the first one to go. So I'm going to have to put some like weird tape right here, but I'm going to have to put a pounder in there. It's the only way to do this. Okay. All right. So I might run some black tape around this. That's pretty sturdy, boys. So, or maybe some more clear tape, but next video, you're gonna see this on the bike. No, I'm not gonna do that one. Ladies and gentlemen, the Bud Light tire. It's already leaking. I just pulled it out, so that's not good. We're gonna see if we can ride this on snow. You guys saw the video of me making this, so we're gonna give her a shot here. I got another video for you guys real soon too. Maybe we'll just do a burnout. Yo! Whoa! That went quick. That went pretty quick. I would say, oh my God, dude, the bike's covered in beer. So I would say that in a survival situation, if you had beer and tape and you had a flat tire on your Enduro, that you could not go anywhere at all. So, if you guys like this video, hit the like button. I didn't go very far, but it looked pretty cool, I'm sure. Next video will be better. 1,080 feet of duct tape. We're gonna make a duct tape tire. And I'm gonna stud this so I can actually ride it in the snow. So if you guys like this video, smash that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications. Peace.
Never see